So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to Venmo. So if you want to send money directly from PayPal to a Venmo user, you can search for their registered phone number through the PayPal app. So you can select an eligible funding source like your balance or bank and complete the transfer instantly. So if you open up your PayPal, it's going to look something like this. On there you can see home, you can see your wallet, send and request. So just launch the app. You can search for a recipient. So you can go to send and request. You can also bypass that and go through here to click on get paid for requesting money, or you can just send to another account, but you can find them on here. So go to send money and enter the full phone number tied to the recipient's Venmo account. So once you've typed all of that in there, you can select funding. So choose your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card to fund that Venmo. And you can send funds, confirm the amount, and tap send to transfer the money immediately. So just make sure that you are aware of fees and limits. So domestic transfers, so it's free within the US when using your PayPal balance, bank, or debit card. But for cross-border, fees may apply if sending outside the region that you're currently in, and there are international caps for that. That's going to be $2,500 per transaction, $5,000 daily, and $10,000 weekly as a cap on those transactions. So just make sure that you're aware of those rules. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.